Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, for this week's video, I'm very excited to film because today is the day where I'm going to making a Korean style noodles. Okay. पहली वीडियो पूरी dedicated थी Korean noodles के ऊपर, but I was just scrolling my Instagram feed and got a recommendation of French toast. So I just decided to why not make this also if I'm making Korean noodles, because the process of making French toast is very easy. So I just decided to make it that also. So I'm gonna make that first and then I'm gonna make a Korean style noodle. So yeah. Okay guys, so now let's make some French toast, but before that you guys go and watch the recipe first. And okay guys, so what they have done is just they added the bread on the pan and then they poured some milk on it and added butter on the side of it, and that's it. The process is very easy, so I'm very excited to make it and taste it. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just make this. उन्होंने बहुत बड़े साइज की ब्रेड यूज़ करी है, बट मेरे को यही मार्केट में मिली, तो मैं इस ब्रेड से फ्रेंच टोस्ट बनाऊंगा. And I'm gonna add this Verka milk, or this is the butter that I'm using. This is the Amul butter, and yeah, that's it.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy.
Messed up जब मैं इसे पलट रहा था, but it's smelling very sweet, you know. Smell is very good.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up?
Okay, so our French toast is ready, जो कि बनने में बहुत बुरी तरह से फील हुआ. पता नहीं क्यों पलटा ही नहीं, चिपक गया पैन के साथ. और मैंने आई थिंक तेल नहीं डाला स्टार्टिंग में ब्रेड रखने से पहले. मुझे लगा कि उसके ऊपर मैं मिल्क डाल रहा हूँ, तो आई थिंक इट्स नॉट गोना स्टिक टू द पैन, बट स्टिल इट्स जस्ट हैपन, सो आई कांट डू एनीथिंग इन दिस. ओके सर, जो भी है इसको टेस्ट करके देखते हैं कैसा बना है. नॉट बैड. इसमें बहुत वैसे से टेस्ट आ रहा था ना, जैसे जब बीमार होते तो दूध में ब्रेड डाल के खाते हैं, बट इसमें थोड़ा बटर की खुशबू है और थोड़ा सॉल्ट का भी एसेंस है, तो इट्स कम टुगेदर. इट्स फ्लेवर्स आर ऑल बैलेंसिंग ईच अदर. इट्स नॉट दैट बैड, सो आई एम गोना फिनिश इट अप एंड सी यू. बाय. Okay, so the French toast was very good, and now I'm gonna make Korean style noodle, the most viral and most awaited video on the internet. So I'm gonna also try it out and show you guys my. Okay, so now I'm gonna boil the Maggi first.
Don't need no coffee yet, got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, how did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute, hold on a second.
जब तक मैगी बॉईल हो रही है तब तक हम गार्लिक काट लेते हैं और साइड के सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स को प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं.
Love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute, hold on a second. I love this moment, yeah.
Okay, so all the ingredients are ready. Now let's put these all ingredients in a bowl. And Maggi is also kind of ready right now.
유난히도 캄캄
한다면 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며. 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지.
Okay guys, so Korean style noodles are ready. Now let's taste them. Like that. I'm not lying, I haven't had anything like this in my entire life. It just tastes so good. I want to try this once again. All the flavor buds of my tongue is just woken up after having this. This is amazing. Now I'm gonna finish this up. Okay guys, so that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do these kind of video again, so let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make it and show you guys. Both the recipes were so good and I really like to make these kinds of videos. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, so make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. If you guys made it to here, comment on these emojis. And see you in next video guys. Till then, bye bye.
한결편안해 지구했어. 오늘 밤에도 왜 걷어 있어줘서 좋은 꿈에 번지를 했어. 요즘 새벽에는 소음이 늘었어. 왜냐면 너